Hello friends, actually before and after is very important pseudo class where use of the before after we can insert any content, and we are also using for the design purpose and the animation purpose also. So I'm going to show you how we can use this as a design purpose and the animation purpose. So now I'm adding here s2. Okay, you can also add here the before, but here I am going to add the first. We need to see the content. We can add anything, any content, like read this, you can see, and also you can explain the background color. Okay, you can see. You can also add the before, will came in the before. Okay, right. I'm going to add the this use as a design purpose and the animation purpose. I am going to add here width 100%. Okay, height 3px, and position, we need to add the position. Before position we need to add the background color red. Okay, once we will add the position, it will show position absolute should be, but before adding here position absolute, we need to add in the parent. This is a parent, s2 is parent, is the before is the child. So here we will add the position relative. Okay, then here it will work the absolute. So here I am adding the left 0, bottom is 0. Okay, so you can see here the width is showing extra because here we have not set the width max content. As per the content, here it will be the show this color. So I am adding here. Okay, copy this and paste. After s2 we need to add hover. Okay, and here we will add the width 100%, right? But we need to also here remove the, it should be 0 when hover is, then it will show. So for the animation we will add the here transition 0.4 second. Okay, control s and reload this page. Sorry, we will see what is the how is working nicely what we did for this. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel for more video like this. If you want to visit our website, please visit w3rf.com. Bye bye.